So I have the number 2 wholes and 5/6, and I want to convert this to an improper fraction, which basically means I want to ask myself how many sixths are there altogether in this number. So to do this I'm going to use pattern blocks where one yellow hexagon represents a whole, and because I'm dealing with sixths I'm going to use the green triangles because 6 green triangles fit entirely in one whole, which means one green triangle must represent 1 out of the 6, or 1/6. So to represent the number 2 wholes and 5/6, I have here 2 wholes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixths. So I need to ask myself how many little green triangles, or how many sixths, would fit entirely on these shapes. Well, there's 5 here, and each of these would fit 6. So really 2 wholes and 5/6 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 sixths. And we can write that in fraction notation as 17 sixths. Alternatively, we could have asked ourselves how to do this in our heads, and we could have gone, well, in each whole there will be 6 sixths. In this whole there are 6 green triangles, or 6 sixths. If there are 2 wholes, then there must be 2 lots of the 6 green triangles, or 2 times 6, which is 12, plus the extra 5 left over. 12 plus 5 would give us the 17. Now let's look at the number 3.5, or 3 wholes and 1/2. I want to ask myself how many halves fit in this all together. Well, because I'm dealing with halves, I'm going to use the red trapezium, because 2 trapeziums fit on 1 yellow hexagon, which means that one of them on their own would be half of a whole. So let's pull up 3 wholes and a half. Here's 3 wholes and 1/2 left over, and let's cover this with as many halves as we can. So if I need 2 halves to cover a whole, then under each whole will be 2 red trapeziums, or 2 halves. So altogether I'll have 2, 4, 6, and 1 left over, 7 halves altogether, which in fraction notation we write as 7 halves. Now how could we work that out in our head? Well, we know that it takes 2 halves to make a whole. So if I have 3 wholes altogether, I'll have 3 lots of 2, which is 6 halves in my wholes. 2, 4, 6, with an extra 1 left over, so the 6 plus 1 will give me 7 halves altogether.